Hi, I'm Jordan from Jordan's Easy Entertaining, and welcome to my Homemade with Love series. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own flavored cotton candy at home using your favorite hard candies. So my cotton candy machine allows me to use any kind of hard candies to make a delicious flavored cotton candy. So what you're going to need is a cotton candy cone, your machine of course, and your hard candies. So take your hard candies and just crush them up and then place them in a separate container. Now turn on your cotton candy machine and allow it to warm up for about 5 minutes. Then you're going to turn your cotton candy machine off and add some of the crushed candies to the middle of the cotton candy maker. And be careful because it's going to be very hot. Then once it's turned back on, your cotton candy is going to start forming right away. So take your cotton candy cone and hold it vertically first and start wrapping the cotton candy around it. And then you are going to hold your cotton candy cone horizontally and just start twisting the cone around and around so you're getting the spun sugar attached to your cone. And just keep doing that until you have your desired size of cotton candy. To get the full size cotton candy that you want, you may need to turn off your machine and add more hard candies to the center of it, but you can keep doing that until you get the amount of cotton candy that you want for the size cone that you're going for. Once you're satisfied with the size of your cotton candy and the sugar has stopped spinning, you're all set. Well, that's it for today's project. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you'd like to see more of the Homemade with Love series, check the playlist down below. I'll also have affiliate links for the cotton candy maker and any supplies that you may need. Make sure to come back tomorrow for more of the series and hop on over to my blog, Jordan's Easy Entertaining, to see more written instructions for making the cotton candy at home. And if you make any of the projects or recipes from the Homemade with Love series, I'd love to see them. Join my Facebook group, which I will also have linked down below, and you can post a picture of whatever it is that you're making. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel while you're at it, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!